She wasn't respected, she wasn't trusted, she wasn't welcomed, yet God chose her. This Bible story proves that rejection never disqualifies you from God's purpose. Some people are rejected quietly, others are rejected publicly. This woman carried a past everyone knew, and no one forgot. But while people only saw who she was, God saw who she could become, and He built history through her life. Her name was Rahab. She lived in the city of Jericho, a place marked for destruction. Rahab was not a leader, not a wife, not a woman people looked up to. She was known for her mistakes, and because of her past, people kept their distance. But one night, everything changed. 2 Israelite spies entered the city, and Rahab hid them in her home. Not because she was brave, but because she believed. She said something powerful. "I know the Lord has given you this land." Rahab had never seen God's miracles herself. She only heard stories. But faith begins before proof arrives. She protected the spies, knowing it could cost her life. And before they left, she asked for one thing: "Spare my family." The spies gave her a sign, a scarlet cord, to hang from her window. When Jericho fell, every wall collapsed, except one. Rahab's home remained standing. The rejected woman was rescued, but the story doesn't end there. Rahab didn't just survive. She was brought into Israel. She was given a new life. And generations later, she became part of the family line of Jesus Himself. The woman everyone avoided was written into God's greatest story. Rahab wasn't chosen because she was clean. She was chosen because she was willing. God didn't wait for her reputation to change. He changed her future first. People rejected her for her past. God redeemed her for His purpose. That's the difference. Some of you watching feel like Rahab, labeled, judged, defined by one chapter of your life. People remember what you did, even after you've changed. But God doesn't consult your critics before He calls you. Your past may explain you, but it does not own you. God often works through people others overlook, because rejected people understand grace deeply, and grace changes lives. If God waited for perfect people, nothing would ever begin. If you've ever felt rejected, this story is your reminder. God is not embarrassed by you. He is not finished with you. Your story is still being written, and redemption always has the final word. If this story spoke to you, subscribe for more Bible stories that reveal hope where others see failure. God uses the rejected every time.